Okay, this is a premium brand Mastercraft 12-inch compound, double compound sliding miter saw. Does come with a level with a laser, so I'll show you that in a second. There are two extension arms. Of course, these are the screws to hold the extension arms in place, and your tool to remove and change the blade. Here's your locking. Just pull this out and you twist it, and there you go. So it lifts up. You've also got this here, so if you want to put this as an extra security, or if you're doing mortise and cuts, you can actually put this and regulate the depth of it that you want. There is, like I mentioned, there is a laser, so I'll put the piece of paper there. You can see that the laser's there, fully functioning. It's practically brand new. I will start it up just so you can see that it actually does run. So there's a double switch, as with most miter saws. It is in awesome shape. Pretty much brand new. It's a great machine, very sturdy, and there's a double bevel there too, so if you want to change, you can just unscrew it and adjust it to whatever angle you want, and it's adjustable here as well. There you go. So it's great for molding.